Hi guys, today I would like to show you what happened to my loom in my Mark II GTI. It started funny. I had no wipers. I had no wipers. I had no wipers and no headlights. So I took some spare loom and fixed it real quick, just to get me going. And after looking into it deeper, I found out that my fuse box is burned. I don't know if it's seen, and my connector is burned. So today I will be taking care of it, so stay tuned. First I will write all the pins on the paper, because I don't want to mess things up, and it will be quicker than to use electric schematics. Okay, I wrote down all the pins and colors of the cables. Now I have to cross-check the loom from 1.6 if anything's missing and if everything is going right place. So I will be checking that, and I will take the missing wires from my old loom and swap it to this loom, and I hope I will get a fully functioning loom when I'm done. Okay guys, I finished work on the loom. As you saw, I had to as you saw, I had to change some wires that was damaged. I took the clips that I took off from both looms. I will be placing them when I will be installing the loom that I repaired. And I hope everything will be working fine. If you liked what you saw, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you soon.